All right, I'm about to do an update on this thing, and I just want to do a quick intro for the video I've had sitting around for a month. It's a quick unboxing. I really was not feeling well. You could tell I was all over the place like I normally am, but worse. And I don't even know why I'm putting it out there, but here we go with how to not do an unboxing.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Chad Tech. I actually had a video I was going to do about screen protectors, and I took my Whitestone dome off my phone, and I just like the way it felt, so I'm leaving the screen protector off my phone now. I'm just gonna live with it. It just took too much away. And then I'm working on a video for someone else. They wanted me to compare the Pocket 2 video to the Osmo Mobile 6, which I'm using both of right now. And I realized I'm not very good at cinematic video. So I'm working on that. I have some footage, hoping to get that out in the next week. So I'm like, what else can I do? Well, if you're on my Facebook channel, you know I've been posting drone videos of the fall foliage here. And for the rest of you, I have this box. This is all I got. A simple unboxing of something GoPro. So let's tear it open and see what we have. Ooh, has a case. Sweet. So yeah, GoPro has new stuff out, and they had during the Prime early deal days or whatever Amazon called it, they had something on their own site for me to look at. This comes with an accessory kit and a second battery, and it looks really nice. I'm kind of hoping it is a lot better than that old guy. All right. So, as you can see here, I have the Hero 11 Black. And it is extremely nice packaging. So let's open this up and see exactly what I got in my special bundle. So special. Ooh. Tore that. Oh, a case. Oh, I'm so glad I don't have to buy a case. I have so many cases in my tech bag right now for my gear. So this wasn't, like I said, I would never have bought this because normally I've never actually really used this because I paid so much money for this. I was afraid to use it for what I bought it for, which was to put it on RC airplanes. I just never got around to it, and you know what? It wasn't that good because, you know, it's that fisheye view. Wow. Just wow. Okay, so this is a floaty handle, and it looks like nothing has changed. Like my old one, new one, they just, nothing has changed. That's nice because I have an entire kit of these. Okay, I'm not even sure where I pulled that out of. That, oh, a nice mount, which is good because up here I mounted something in off to the left. You'll see that in the Pocket videos. My bad, I didn't mount it centered to my desk because I wasn't thinking. But oh, look, there's the hat mount, the head mount, some batteries, and a handle made of foam, probably floats. Very nice. Let's take everything out. This is the strap you put around your head to make yourself look ridiculous. This is you put on the brim of your hat. This is an extra screw, always very handy. What is this? Oh, look at that. Another extra screw. Very handy for your mounts. USB-A to USB-C. Why do they still put USB-A in these things? I don't know. Do you see that? Why? USB-C to USB-C. And, of course, the main reason I went for this, 2 of these new batteries, which apparently last like 80 minutes each. These I'm actually very excited about. Because I think this, last time I tested it, lasts about 6 minutes on 1080p. Now, why did I get this? There's actually a reason for this. I was playing around with the Pocket 2 and my phone, trying to learn cinematic. Wow, this is really hard to get out here. Trying to learn cinematic film styles. And I realized I really like slow motion. And this looks like it's going to be the king of slow motion. 240 frames per second. And it's going to be nice. So let's open this up, throw that to the side. Oh, it is so nice. This is so much different. It has the mounting feet fold out of the bottom. Let's... Oh. Then the front, and then camera must be updated before you can use it. Okay. So let's so frustrating. So frustrating. Let's fast forward. It's back. It says 11. Got my power and mode button, which has that changed? Well, yeah, it's in a different spot. I'm guessing that's a lanyard spot. This must be the battery door. I've heard about that. I have no idea how that opens. I'm guessing not that way. I'm gonna have to read a manual. But I don't care about that right now, because this is just an unboxing. And that's all I got for you today. Hopefully, I'll get some good footage of this bad boy in action. And, man, I really like the size and weight of this. I mean, I can see why they made a light version, or I don't even know what they call it, but it's a version without the screens. It's just going to be this little square because, wow. It doesn't even have the battery in it. And it's heavier than this one that has a battery in it. So they have gotten big and they have gotten heavy. And I know there's that mini one coming out for people who want to put it on a drone. All right, everyone. I am going to go relax for the rest of the night. This is Digital Chad Tech. Talk to you in the next one.